Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're reviewing the NAACOO upgraded 12 by 12 inches catch basin low-profile downspout extender. Without a doubt, the best French drain kit for protecting your home's foundation. This downspout extender is an innovative solution for water drainage. Whether you're looking to protect your foundation, garden, or lawn from water damage, the NAACOO Catch Basin Kit does the job effectively and easily. Unlike traditional downspouts, this product doesn't require deep digging. The catch basin and flexible pipe extension system provide a seamless way to divert rainwater where you need it most, making sure it flows away from your home. The catch basin itself is designed with a special slope to prevent water and dirt accumulation, ensuring no stagnant water that could lead to bacteria growth. Plus, it features a double drain hole design, which improves drainage efficiency. The flexible pipe can extend from 2.5 feet to 8 feet, and it can be spliced for even longer lengths. This adaptability allows you to tailor the system to fit any setup in your yard or landscaping. Installation is simple and user-friendly. The low-profile design of the catch basin allows it to blend seamlessly with your garden. It can easily be covered with mulch, which means it won't be an eyesore in your yard. Furthermore, the system comes with a debris-catching grate to prevent leaves and larger debris from clogging the pipe, plus a fine filter screen for smaller particles. One of the standout features of this system is its ability to be customized. The 8-foot flexible pipe can be cut into 2 pieces for drainage on both sides of your downspout, or you can block off one side if only one drain is needed. This flexibility is a major advantage for homeowners who need specific drainage solutions. The kit is compatible with most standard residential downspouts, including 2 by 3 inch, 3 by 4 inch, and 3 by 3 inch sizes. It's perfect for anyone looking to protect their home foundation, prevent soil erosion, or solve tricky garden irrigation problems. The materials used are durable, with UV resistance and antifreeze properties, meaning it can withstand all weather conditions without corroding, even if buried underground. The package includes everything you need: the catch basin, the flexible 8-foot drain pipe, a debris grate, a filter screen, a blockage piece, and hose clamps to secure the system in place. Whether you're dealing with heavy rain or just want to ensure long-term protection, this product has got you covered. If you're tired of dealing with water pooling around your home or garden, the NAACOO upgraded catch basin kit is the solution you've been looking for. It's easy to install, highly effective, and designed to last. Protect your foundation and landscaping with this innovative French drain kit today. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts on this product in the comments. See you next time for more product reviews.